Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewer. I hope you are fine. My previous topic is about circular column. Today I am select again circular column, but top and bottom dia is different. If top and bottom dia is different, then how to find cement, sand and aggregate? Now let's start. For example, this is a column. The bottom diameter is 1.5 feet and the top diameter is 1 feet, and the height of column is 12 feet. First of all, we need to find the average diameter of this column. Top diameter plus bottom diameter divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1.5 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.25 feet. Now find the area for this column. Area equal to 5d square divided by 4, but the d is the average diameter of this column. With area equal to 3.142 into 1.25 square divided by 4. Area equal to 1.227 square feet. Now find the volume. 1.227 multiplied by 12. 12 is the height of this column, which equal to 14.72 cubic foot. Ratio is 1 to 4 and the sum of ratio is 7. This is the wet volume. Now we change this wet volume to dry. 14.72 multiplied by 1.54. This is dry factor for concrete. The volume equal to 22.67 cubic foot. Now find cement. Formula use ratio of cement divided by sum of ratio multiplied by dry volume of concrete. Cement needed 3.23 cubic foot. Now we change this volume to bags. 3.23 divided by 1.25, which is equal to 2.58, say 3 bags. Now find sand. 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 22.67, which equal to 6.47 cubic foot. Aggregate needed 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 22.67, which equal to 12.95 cubic foot. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, see you with another video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.